Yes, what's up, people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about a very, very important segment of this YouTube channel. I'm going to be talking about the Trader Talk. So the Trader Talk, this is a segment of my YouTube channel that we have just started right away. So we're going to be analyzing the financial instrument of which we are looking at this week. So in this case, I'm going to be telling you guys what exactly I'm expecting next week, what exactly I'm expecting on a specific financial instrument this week and next week. So without wasting much of your time, guys, if you are new to this YouTube channel, welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and leave a like, for that is going to help us to grow this YouTube channel called the Wealth Factory family. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video right away. So I'm going to be analyzing some of the financial instruments and what exactly I expect next week, what kind of movements I expect in the next week. So here on my screen, I have Bitcoin, gold, US 30, NASDAQ, US oil, and the S&P 500. So I'm going to be analyzing all these financial instruments and what exactly we expect from the market as we go into the new week. So ladies and gentlemen, without wasting much of your time, let me get into the video and share my screen with you. All right, guys, so we are inside my screen right away. We are on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin right now has been in a bit of a bullish sentiment, and Bitcoin for the past 2 years has been, for the past 1 year has been in a downtrend. All right. Yes, we have got some news speculating that people have sued Binance and whatnot, but that doesn't affect the practical technical analysis. Yes, we have got fundamentals, but at the end of the day, the market is going to react to the technical analysis that you have performed as a trader. So the technical analysis that I usually do, this is called the top-down analysis, whereby you have to use bigger time frame first to identify the trend of the market. So in this case, guys, I'm going to be showing you what exactly I do for me to be able to take a trade, for me to be able to say the market is in a downtrend or an uptrend. So in this case, guys, we are looking at Bitcoin from a bigger time frame, which is daily time frame. Some people would go to 1 week time frame, of which I guess is fine. You can go to weekly time frame. Okay, so as you can see here, Bitcoin formed a proper double top, which is an an M shape. So after forming an M shape, Bitcoin dropped all the way up to 15K. So in 15K, this is where we had the previous low of Bitcoin in bigger time frame, which was here at 15K. I'm going to be putting a circle where the market came to retest. So the market actually came to retest this level here. After retesting this level, came breaking the previous low here in daily time frame, then flipped all the way up to up, coming here to form a head and shoulders. Then the market continued going up. Now, what exactly do we expect from the market now that the market came to this level, retesting the previous high? Now it has broken the previous high while retesting the neckline of the market, which was forming the double top in the weekly time frame some years ago. All right, guys, so we are going to scale down to daily time frame. So in my daily time frame right now, Bitcoin has been in a downtrend. Now it's showing us that it wants to go up. All right, so in this case, we have got this level here that was broken by Bitcoin. Okay, so let's take a look at this. We have this level here that was broken by Bitcoin. We have this level here. Okay, so if you take a look at this level where Bitcoin is right now in a daily time frame, we're gonna be looking at this as a potential pullback to grab more power for the buying pressure. All right, so in this case, we're gonna be looking for buying opportunities on Bitcoin, but I'm not just going to enter and start looking for buying opportunities without having confirmation. So in this case, we've got Bitcoin. Let me zoom it. All right. So what do we see? Okay. So let's do this. Those of you who are under my Forex Master program, you know very well what usually happens here. So we have got this level here that the market retested. This was our previous resistance. So after the market broke the previous supply, the market is now coming to retest this supply. What do we see after the market came to retest the supply? We see the engulfing candlesticks here, the market shooting up. Now we can easily draw a trend line from here, all right? We can easily draw a trend line from here like this. So in this case, we're going to be looking for Bitcoin to come again to this level, forming some sort of double bottom, then coming to break this trend line, retesting the trend line, then the flip to the upside. So if I take a trade for Bitcoin from here, my target is going to be the previous high, which is all the way up to 31K. So I'm going to be taking my trade from here, then putting it, of course, putting the stop loss just below this level and targeting the previous high, which is 31K. And this is a proper 1-to-5 risk management, risk reward ratio, meaning that if you are risking $1, you're gonna be making $5. If you're risking $100, you're gonna be making $500. If you're risking $50, you're gonna be making $250. All right. So in this case, Bitcoin, we're gonna be waiting for we're gonna be looking for buying opportunities. We're gonna be looking for Bitcoin to come all the way up to down here. It must form some bit of double bottom, head and shoulders, or triple bottom. Then we must be able to see Bitcoin to break this level here, coming to retest the level, then flip to the upside. Guys, we have no doubt that Bitcoin, right away, Bitcoin is in an uptrend. This is a bullish sentiment in Bitcoin. All right. So Bitcoin, we are waiting for buying opportunities. Yes, the market might go as high as here. So the market, if the market breaks this line here that I've drawn, the next target where we expect Bitcoin to come to is potentially to, we are looking at Bitcoin coming to all the way up to 40K here. So this might be our next target after Bitcoin, after Bitcoin breaks this previous high here. So in this case, after Bitcoin breaks this previous high here, which is 31K, the next target that we must be looking at is 40K. That's where we must be able to see Bitcoin reacting. But in this case, Bitcoin, I'm very much confident that Bitcoin is going to be in an uptrend. Why do I say so? There is a law of divergence, the law of correlation that I use. When the stock market is shooting, Bitcoin usually follows up. So whenever the stock market is going down, Bitcoin is going to follow up and start going down. These things, they almost move in the same direction. So since we have Bitcoin going up, meaning that we have higher chances of Ethereum as well following the same path as Bitcoin. So in this case, guys, we have finished analyzing Bitcoin. Let's move on to the next financial instrument that I've been looking at. So I'm going to be looking at US oil right away. I'm going to be looking at US oil. I'm going to be looking at US oil. We have GBP/USD. This is gold. All right. US 30. Okay, we have NASDAQ. So right now we have US oil. I'm looking for US oil, guys. Okay, let me just search for US oil right away. So we're gonna be adding US oil to my chart, which is US oil, not found in the Forex. Okay. US oil. So in this case, guys, US oil has been in a bearish sentiment, meaning that it has been going down. All right. So it has been in a bearish sentiment. Now, what exactly do we expect on US oil if you are to take a big, a trade that is going to last 2 or 3 days? So in this case, for Bitcoin, I'm going to be waiting for Bitcoin, for US oil to break this level 73.70. So after it breaks this 73.70, then I must be waiting for it to come and retest here, then start going up. But in this case that we have broken this level to the downside, we are only going to be seeing this financial instrument coming to this level here, the level of resistance, then coming down here, or a potential flip to the downside. Or we must be able to see Bitcoin, US oil to go up here, just a bit here, breaking this resistance, then comes to retest, then my target gonna be this level here. So I have a strong feeling that US oil is gonna be pushing upside and be in a bullish sentiment. This is evident to the candlestick that have been forming themselves, which is we have this hammer candlestick being formed here and the engulfing candlestick showing the pure rejection on this level, which is a demand zone. If you take a look at this level here, has been a level of demand. So we expect the market to react and start going up at a level of demand. How you take a trade exactly, how do you take a sniper entry like that? We won't really be able to review the information how to take a sniper entry because that wouldn't be fair to the students that have been teaching, the people that have been teaching, they paid for that information. So we have decided to give that information only to the guys who paid for the mentorship, which is a Forex Master program, which involves the strategy for synthetic indices and currency pairs. So if you want to get a strategy for synthetic pairs and currency pairs, please, I'm going to be attaching the link to the course in the description. Make sure that you click the link, join, and save yourself from losing money in the Forex market. All right. So in this case, guys, we have got US oil. My anticipation on US oil is I must be able to see US oil to break the level of 73.70, then shooting to the upside a bit, coming to retest this level, then go all the way up here. All right. So this is going to be my next target is going to be 82.47. Then if the market breaks this level, my next target is going to be 93.60. That's where my next target is going to be. All right. So in this case, let me delete here. Okay, we are taking a look at gold. Gold, for now, we don't have a defined direction. If we take a look at gold, what is happening for gold in weekly time frame, this is a potential triple bottom. But again, we have got a support here in a daily time frame and this trend line which the market is retesting. So in this case, we are not really sure of the direction gold is going to be taking. I'll advise you guys to stay away from gold at the moment. All right. Then we are taking a look at US30 as well. US30, what I expect from US30 right now is a push to the upside. All right. So on US30, look at the candlesticks that are being formed. These are strong candlesticks being formed, pointing to the upside. All right. So in this case, I'm going to be drawing my level here as my level of support and resistance, which is this level here. So from here, what we expect from US30 is a break to the upside. After a break to the upside, we must be able to see the market coming to retest this level here. Then my next target for US30, if that happens, meaning that my next target is gonna be 36,921. That's where my next target for US30 is gonna be. So in this case, US oil, we expect it to break this level. Why? Because Nasdaq has been in a bullish sentiment, and also the US stock market is performing really well. So meaning that this is supposed to follow after NASDAQ has formed a bullish sentiment, all right? These are things that almost move in the same direction. We have ES30, Bitcoin, NASDAQ, and Ethereum. These are always going to move almost in the same direction. If Bitcoin is trending upside, then we expect the stock market to be trending upside. If the stock market is trending downward, also the Bitcoin, ES30, S&P 500, all these are supposed to be trending downwards, all right? The US 30 is the top 30 companies in the United States of America that are performing really well. That's why it's called the US 30. And then the US 100 is the top most performing companies in the world. All right. Then the US oil, when you're trading the US oil, you are trading the stock market for the US oil. And remember, guys, the biggest producers of oil in the world, we have got the United States of America, then Russia, Saudi Arabia, Canada, and Iraq. So these are the people who control the stock market of the US oil, all right? So in this case, guys, what do we expect from US oil? We expect a bullish sentiment. Why? Because NASDAQ has been in a pure bullish sentiment. Look at the bullish sentiment that has been happening in NASDAQ. So NASDAQ last week just entered the bull market. So that means that this is a defined bullish sentiment. Whenever we have a bullish sentiment in US oil, we expect the same to US 30 and the S&P 500, all right? So in this case, guys, US 30, what we expect right now is just wait for it. What do you expect from US 30? Look at the S&P 500. S&P 500 has broken this level, pointing to the upside. Now, what do we expect exactly on S&P 5? I mean, the US 30. On the US 30 right now, what we expect is US 30 to break this level, which is 34,305. After breaking this level here, then we must be able to see it coming to a test, then a flip to the upside. A flip from here, we must be able to see the market coming all the way up here. All right, the stock market is about to perform extremely well. So this is my analysis for today. Please leave a comment. Tell us what exactly we are supposed to improve. Tell us what exactly we are supposed to do better next time, so that we can be able to provide information that is useful to you guys, and you can be able to make money with us. Thank you so much for sticking around. As I said when we started the video, that if you are a new client to this YouTube channel, please don't leave without leaving a comment, subscribing, and sharing our content, so that we can get more people coming to our YouTube channel and learn more together. Let's grow together. Thank you so much for sticking around. This is Wealth Factor Forex. See you in the next video.